Hi, I'm going to show you how to do cups by Anna Kendrick from the movie Pitch Perfect. Okay, so you're going to clap twice, 1, 2, and then you're going to beat on the table 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to clap again. Okay, so clap twice, beat on the table 3 times, and clap again. And then you're going to take your cup, pick it up, and put it down. Okay, so you're going to clap twice, beat on the table 3 times, clap again, pick up your cup and put it down. Okay, so after you pick up your cup and put it down, you're going to clap again. And then you're going to take your hand and make sure that it's like this. And grab your cup and you're going to hit it with your other hand like that, okay? So you're going to clap twice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Clap again. Grab it. Hit it. And then after that, you're going to set it down. And then bring it back up and grab it with your other hand. Okay? So clap twice. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to pick it up. Grab it with your other hand. Put your other hand down on the table. And then take your cup and then hit it over. Okay, so we're going to do this a little bit faster. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now I'm going to start speeding it up. Okay? Sorry. So now, you try it real quick. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Ready? And that's how you do cups by Anna Kendrick. Bye-bye.